Okay, I got another new Zippo. Let's take a look at it. But first, I also got with it a couple of my favorite TV shows on DVD. The first one is Elementary. Now, these complete seasons are getting really cheap. You can get the complete season of Elementary for about 10 bucks. And I think there's only 3 or 4 seasons. And another one of my favorite shows is The Mentalist. And I think there are 5 or 6 seasons of The Mentalist. Excellent value for about 10 bucks for a complete season. So let's take a look at this Zippo. Now this is the normal Zippo black box. And the label on this one says Zippo Boxed Flames. Nothing really special about the box except, of course, it's made in the USA in Bradford, PA 16701. So here is the Zippo with all those flames on it. Lots of boxed flames. Green, red, blue, and yellow. Now this is on a semi-matte finish. It is kind of shiny. The yellow, and it is a brass body. Now this was made in, looks like E of 15, and that it would be, I think, May of last year. Good stamp on that one. Got a real good sound. Now this one comes with the steel insert. Lights up nice. Okay, let's do a drop test on this one. First I'm going to drop it closed. No rattle. Still works good. Still fires up. Now I'm going to do a drop test with it open and lit. So there's the drop test with the Zippo open and lit. Stay lit. No rattle. And it still fires up strong. That's a good Zippo in yellow with all them little flames. So I'm going to put that one right over here with a lot of other yellow ones. I think I have about a dozen yellow ones, but when this one's around, they have to turn their back. And that deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.